Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The diagnostic trouble code DTC P0331 indicates a malfunction related to the knock sensor 2 situated in bank 2 of the engine in a Honda Accord model from 2012 to 2017. The knock sensor is a critical component designed to detect engine knocking, which occurs when combustion processes are irregular. This specific sensor is a non-resonant type mounted on the cylinder block of the engine, where it plays a crucial role in maintaining optimal engine performance. Its primary function is to capture vibrations caused by the combustion process, converting those vibrations into electrical signals. The onboard powertrain control module, PCM, utilizes those signals to adjust ignition timing accordingly. When the signals fall below a predefined threshold for a certain duration, the PCM identifies a potential issue, logging the DTC P0331 for further diagnosis. The knock sensor 2, in this case, is designated for bank 2 of the vehicle's engine, located on the cylinder block. Its key role is to monitor vibrations that may indicate engine knocking, a condition where fuel combustion is irregularly fast, leading to potential engine damage. The knock sensor is structured with a torus-shaped weight that compresses a ceramic element when vibration occurs, transforming mechanical vibration into an electrical signal. This signal is essential for the powertrain control module, PCM, which interprets these signals to determine whether adjustments to ignition timing are necessary to prevent knocking. If the PCM detects that the signal from knock sensor 2 drops below acceptable levels due to poor connectivity or component failure, it triggers DTC P0331, which indicates a malfunction requiring further investigation. There are several possible causes for the P0331 code to appear. Firstly, the knock sensor 2 may be misinstalled, meaning it is not properly fitted to the cylinder block, which could lead to faulty readings or complete signal loss. Secondly, the knock sensor itself could be internally faulty or damaged, leading to inaccurate output signals. Another common issue is a poor electrical connection, which can occur due to corroded connectors, damaged wiring, or loose terminals. These problems could lead to the PCM receiving inconsistent or no signals from the knock sensor, triggering the DTC and affecting engine performance. It is vital to systematically check each of these potential causes during the troubleshooting process. When the P0331 code is present, vehicle owners may notice several warning signs. The most immediate symptom is that the malfunction indicator lamp, MIL, will illuminate on the dashboard. This serves as a direct notification that the engine management system has detected a fault. Additionally, there may be observable engine knocking sounds. This occurs due to inefficient combustion, leading to premature ignition. Drivers might also experience performance issues, such as decreased acceleration, reduced fuel efficiency, or stalling. These symptoms strongly indicate that the knock sensor is not performing its intended function, necessitating corrective action to prevent further engine damage or reduced drivability. To troubleshoot the P0331 code, start by igniting the engine and maintaining an engine speed of 3,000 revolutions per minute, RPM. It's crucial to perform this test without any load on the engine. The automatic transmission should be in park or neutral if equipped, or the manual transmission should be in neutral. Continue holding the engine speed until the radiator fan engages, which indicates that the cooling system is operating properly. This step is important as it allows the knock sensor to begin its monitoring process under controlled conditions, providing the data required for the next phase of diagnostics. Following this initial step enables an effective assessment of the sensor's functionality. After ensuring the engine is running correctly at 3,000 RPM with no load, proceed to drive the vehicle while maintaining an engine speed of at least 2,000 RPM for a minimum duration of 5 seconds. This step must be performed in a safe environment where the operation of the vehicle aligns with traffic regulations and weather conditions. Sustaining this engine speed guarantees that the NOx sensor 2 is activated and can accurately relay its output to the PCM. This phase of the troubleshooting allows you to confirm whether the NOx sensor is functioning correctly under real-world driving conditions. If the sensor fails to provide acceptable readings during this exercise, it likely indicates a more serious issue needing rectification. Following any repairs or replacements of the NOx sensor 2, a final verification of the repair's effectiveness is essential. Utilize a scan tool to clear any diagnostic trouble codes from the PCM, including P0331. After clearing the codes, conduct a thorough road test to allow the vehicle to go through multiple driving cycles, ensuring that the operating conditions required for the sensor are met. During the test, observe the dashboard for the illumination of the malfunction indicator lamp, MIL. If the MIL remains off after several cycles and no new DTCs are generated, this confirms that the previously encountered problem has been resolved. This step is essential in ensuring the reliability of engine performance post-repair. Preventive maintenance plays a crucial role in avoiding DTC P0331 and ensuring the longevity of the vehicle's engine components. Begin by routinely checking the engine's overall condition, including the performance of the NOx sensor and its connections. Regular inspections of the wiring harness can prevent issues related to poor electrical connections that can lead to erroneous signals being sent to the PCM. Additionally, ensuring that the NOx sensor is installed correctly during any service or repairs is vital to maintain its optimal function. Preventive measures not only enhance performance, but also help in identifying potential issues before they escalate into serious complications, saving time and repair costs in the long run. In summary, DTC P0331 indicates a problem with the NOx sensor 2 located on bank 2 of the engine, a crucial sensor in ensuring optimal engine performance. Identification of the code necessitates understanding its implications, as failing to address the issue can lead to severe engine complications. Following a thorough diagnostic approach, including the outlined troubleshooting steps, is essential to pinpoint the exact cause of the malfunction. The implementation of regular maintenance practices can greatly reduce the risk of recurrence of such faults. Therefore, it is important for vehicle owners to remain proactive in their maintenance efforts to safeguard their engine from potential failures. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.